Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. Madai matter in crucial stage. Tribunal to finalize arguments on Friday asked 3 states to produce hydrology evidence on Madai. MMC strike puts Madgaon in mess. Employees stop garbage collection, demand arrest of activist who charged upon sanitary officer. Special General Meeting of Goa Urban Cooperative Bank on one-time settlement scheme inconclusive. Majority of members object to formulated scheme. Government considering compromise formula to take back SEZ land from promoters. Board meet decides maintenance of industrial estate spending 11 crore rupees. Force agitation against governments for failing to legalize grants to English primary schools. Savio Lopez to go on indefinite hunger strike from 27 July. Goa government eyes 285 crore National Games package from centre. New infrastructure projects to cost over 100 crores. Significant upgradation also in plans. And Champions League T20 tournament discontinued due to lack of fans' interest. 7th edition was to be held in September-October. And now the news in detail. Madai Tribunal has asked all 3 states to produce evidence on hydrology in Madai dispute. Tribunal on Wednesday intended to start hearing with the main matter. Karnataka Council said his state would like to move application to produce some additional documents. Tribunal discarded the plea and cleared that it has drafted some 60 issues for consideration. All issues would be finalized on Friday. Thereafter, the matter will proceed for evidence on hydrology. Goa will get 4 weeks to file its evidence.
Madai water dispute has reached the crucial evidence stage before the tribunal. Matter came up for hearing on Wednesday before tribunal. Advocate General said Karnataka's counsel was sarcastic in his tone when he told the court that Goa has completed century by giving more 60 issues, in addition to earlier 40. But the sarcasm boomerang when tribunal decided to accept Goa's plea and set 60 issues for trial.
Tribunal wanted to start with the main matter. But Karnataka wanted to move some application to produce some additional documents, which the tribunal did not allow as it will delay the main matter. So the tribunal took up the main matter. And they said Goa has given some 60 issues, there are already 40, so they have scored a century. But that sarcasm was immediately, they got it back when tribunal itself said that they have drafted some 60 issues and they give it for parties' consideration. But it is now decided that the issues would be finalized on Friday and thereafter the matter will proceed for evidence. So in about 4 weeks' time, we will get to file our evidence. But tribunal has indicated that issue of hydrology will be gone in first. That is the surface flow of water, the water availability in Mandavi River. Thereafter, they will take up all other points, including environment and other points.
ओके हायड्रोलॉजी तिना स्टेटिंग किने फाइल करचे पडटा
Hydrology chair evidence दिवचे पडटा तिनी स्टेटीन. They are relying upon the CWC report, whereas we are challenging the CWC report based on the IIT Bombay report.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Now, Madgaon municipality employees are on pen down, tool down strike in support of the sanitary officer. Employees are demanding action against activists who scuffled with sanitary officer during a special meeting at the MMC last week. Municipality held an emergency meeting of police and employees. Police have assured action within 10 days, but employees are adamant. Police have maintained that arrest of activists is not necessary. Garbage collection and other services of the municipality have come to a grinding halt in Madgaon.
आमची आतां सेक्युरिटीच ना जाल्या. आमचे आतां कामगार जर इन्स्पेक्टराचे हात उगडटा फाल्यां खंयच्याय कामगाराचे हात उगडटा. आमी आज जो स्ट्रायक केला तो आमच्या सेक्युरिटी खातीर.
PI कितें म्हणटा, PI म्हणटा का पयलीं इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावं जाय, आपण एक 10 दिसान बीन ते करता बिरता अशें म्हणटा तो. जस्टीस मेळना तुम्हाला कंटिन्यू जाता.
Activist and Fatroda MLA fear the employee strike will put Madgaon in a jeopardy.
Few of us had gathered today in order to request the striking MMC workers not to go ahead with the strike, considering the inconvenience which will be caused to the people of Margaon as well as the people of Fatroda. We even brought along with us a bouquet of roses to offer as a sign of peace. But they have told us that they want to discuss the matter with them amongst themselves, and thereafter they will convey their decision.
The first time in the last 3 years that a strike has actually happened, that Margaon municipality is now afflicted. आणि वायट प्रथा ही एकदा सुरवात जाली जाल्यार हें उरूंक शकता. सो हातून इंटरसेशन जाय, हातून कोणे तरी भितर पडून हे इश्यू सेटल करूंक जाय.
Madgaon municipality's all services have come to a standstill following employees' stool down strike. Garbage collection has completely stopped. Garbage is stinking and has turned into a rot in Madgaon municipality. All municipal vehicles are parked in MMC garage. Adamant employees staunchly demand arrest of 3 activists, while the state commercial capital faces a stink all over. Savio Dias for Prudent.
The special general meeting of Goa Urban Cooperative Bank on one-time settlement scheme ended without any conclusion. Majority of members have objected to the scheme formulated by bank for mining borrowers. Special general meeting formed a committee under the chairmanship of MLA Subhash Desai. The committee will suggest changes in scheme after taking mining affected borrowers into confidence and will submit its report to the bank.
ट्रक ओनराची, मशीन ओनराची किंवा ऑल लोनीज ताणें आपली सजेशन्स दिल्ले आसात. अजून ती अप्रूव जाली ना स्कीम, आनी इतकेंच जाल्लें आसा की सरकारा कडच्यान तांणी मान्यता घेवन ती स्कीम हाडिल्ली. शेअर होल्डरांनी इतकेंच म्हणलां की ही स्कीम पयलीं आमी ड्राफ्ट करुया आनी ती मान्यताय मागीर घालून घेवपाची. तुमी उल्ट प्रकार केल्लो आसा. म्हणून ह्या मिटिंगेन म्हज्या अध्यक्षते खाली आनीक 7 मेंबर घेवन एक कमिटी काडली आसा who will go through the draft. Just आमी ट्रीट करता ही ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी स्कीम. ते ड्राफ्ट आसा तो ट्रक ओनर्स, बार्ज ओनर्स, मशीन ओनर्स हांचे सजेशन्स कितले आसात, तांकां कशें कम्फर्टेबल जाता आनी बँकेक कशें ते वायबल जाता आनी अफोर्डेबल जाता, ते दोनी बॅलन्स व्यू घेवन ही स्कीम डिझायन करपाची एक जबाबदारी आमचे कडेन दिल्ली आसा. म्हणून आमी आमचे जी सजेशन्स, रिकमेंडेशन्स आनी स्किमीच्यो क्लॉजीस आसात त्यो ड्राफ्ट करतले आनीक सोमाराक बँकेक सबमीट करतले. आनीक 29 तारखेर ह्याच म्हयन्याच्या बँकेचे बोर्ड आनीक ही जी कमिटी आसा अपॉयंटेड बाय जनरल बॉडी, हे दोनी बसतले आनी तातूंतल्यान मार्ग काडटले आनी नवी स्कीम तयार जावपाची संभावना आसा. ड्राफ्टान ऑब्जेक्शन आसा, ट्रक ओनरांनी पयलीं पयशे भरलेले आसात ते तांचे म्हणटा प्रिंसिपलाक सेट ऑफ करपाचे, ते इंट्रस्टाक गेल्ले आसा. इंट्रस्ट वेवर आफ्टर 36/2014 इज नॉट अलाउड. अशे खुबशे पॉयंट्स जे आसात ते ताजेर पिन पॉयंट केल्ले आसात. इंट्रस्ट वेवर हो आतां पर्यंत करपाची मागणी सगळ्यांची आसा, लोनीची आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.